this video, we are going to see an example of taking a screenshot of an element as base64 encoding base64 string. So we are opening the page. This is the locator to login link, and we are taking screenshot of link login link as base64 string, and then we are saving that base64 string to a file. So using the save base64 string method, that is resides in nRoBo util.common library. So we are running the test started running. Browser spun up, opening this site and taking a screenshot of it. And here we can see, and here this is the file screenshot of that element.